Welcome to Nuclear Power Redux. Why scientists are reconsidering its role in a green future. In this video, we will explore the resurgence of interest in nuclear energy, a low-carbon powerhouse that promises to reshape our approach to sustainable energy. As global challenges around climate change and energy security intensify, we'll examine the compelling reasons scientists and policymakers are reevaluating nuclear power, from its stable baseline output to technological advancements that address past concerns. Join us as we delve into how nuclear energy could play a pivotal role in achieving a greener, more reliable energy landscape. 1. Nuclear power is a low-carbon energy source. Nuclear power is increasingly recognized as a pivotal player in the quest for a sustainable, low-carbon future. Unlike fossil fuels, nuclear reactors produce zero carbon emissions during their operation. This characteristic makes them a valuable tool in reducing greenhouse gases, which are the primary culprits behind climate change. As countries worldwide strive to meet net zero emission targets, nuclear energy emerges as a viable alternative to traditional fossil fuels. The ability to generate large quantities of energy without contributing to carbon footprints is a crucial advantage. In a world grappling with climate change, the clean energy promise of nuclear power is too significant to ignore. 2. Provides stable baseline power. One of the standout features of nuclear power is its ability to provide stable, continuous energy. Unlike solar and wind energy, which depend on weather conditions, nuclear power plants offer consistent and reliable energy output around the clock. This stability is essential for modern electricity grids, which are increasingly integrating variable renewable energy sources. When the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing, nuclear power steps in to fill the gap. This dependable energy supply ensures that homes, businesses, and industries have access to electricity whenever they need it. Without such baseline power, transitioning to a fully renewable energy grid would be a daunting challenge. 3. Advances in nuclear technology. The field of nuclear technology is not static, it is evolving with impressive innovations. Modern advancements like small modular reactors, SMRs, and molten salt reactors are paving the way for a safer and more flexible nuclear future. These new technologies promise enhanced safety features, better cost-effectiveness, and increased flexibility in deployment. SMRs, for instance, can be prefabricated and transported to sites, reducing construction times and costs. Innovations in reactor technology also address long-standing concerns about safety and waste management. By making nuclear power more accessible and efficient, these advancements could significantly alter its perception and role in global energy strategies. 4. Reduced nuclear waste concerns. A major hurdle for nuclear power has been the issue of waste management. However, new reactor designs like fast breeder reactors offer promising solutions. These reactors can recycle nuclear waste as fuel, significantly reducing the volume and toxicity of the waste produced. By turning waste into a resource, these technologies address one of the most persistent public objections to nuclear power. The potential to minimize nuclear waste alleviates concerns about long-term storage and environmental impact. As these technologies become more widespread, public resistance based on waste concerns may diminish, opening doors for broader acceptance of nuclear energy. 5. Energy independence and security. Nuclear power offers a path to greater energy independence and security for nations. By reducing reliance on imported fossil fuels, countries can enhance their energy security, which is particularly valuable in times of global energy crises and geopolitical tensions. The ability to produce energy domestically allows nations to shield themselves from market volatility and supply disruptions. In an increasingly interconnected world, having a stable and secure energy source is a strategic advantage. This independence empowers countries to pursue their energy policies without being overly reliant on external factors. 6. Improved safety record. Safety has always been a critical concern for nuclear energy, but recent advancements have significantly improved the safety record of modern reactors. These reactors are designed with passive safety systems that can automatically shut down in emergencies, reducing the risk of accidents. Historical incidents like Chernobyl and Fukushima have shaped public fears, but improved safety measures are addressing these concerns head-on. The industry has learned from past mistakes, incorporating lessons into new designs and protocols. As a result, nuclear power today is much safer than in previous decades, fostering greater public confidence and acceptance. 7. Cost competitiveness with renewables. While the upfront costs of building nuclear power plants are high, their long operational lifespan can make them cost competitive with renewable energy sources over time. Advances in modular construction techniques and government subsidies are helping to reduce these initial investment hurdles. Once operational, nuclear plants can produce electricity at a relatively low cost for decades. This long-term cost-effectiveness is an attractive feature for countries looking to diversify their energy portfolios. As the economic landscape of energy production shifts, nuclear power is poised to play a significant role alongside renewables. 8. Growing scientific and policy support. Support for nuclear power is growing among scientists and policymakers alike. Organizations like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, and prominent scientists argue that nuclear energy must play a role in meeting global climate targets. This growing consensus is translating into policy actions, with several countries, including France, Japan, and the US, reinvesting in nuclear infrastructure. The backing from scientific and policy communities underscores the importance of nuclear power in achieving a sustainable energy future. As more nations recognize the benefits of nuclear energy, its role in the global energy mix is poised to expand significantly.